Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix NVIDIA graphics card not detected in Windows 11. Just go ahead and hit search, type in device manager, open this up, and under display adapters you should see your NVIDIA graphics card. If you don't see it, you can come up here, click on view, and then toggle on show hidden devices. Okay, and once you do see it, you can also go ahead and right click on it, and if it's disabled, make sure you right click on it, enable the device. Okay, and if you see disable device, that means already enabled. You can also come here, click on update driver, and then they'll ask you how do you want to search for the drivers. So you can search automatically for drivers. Okay, or you can go ahead and browse through your computer if you had it downloaded. Now, then you just browse through the location and go ahead and hit next and just do the update. You can also go to Google, search up NVIDIA app download, go to the first link, download the app, okay, and that should help you with it. You just search up NVIDIA control panel, you can open that up and use it from here, okay. You can also go ahead and reinstall all your drivers. That should also help. Now, you can also go ahead and open up Armory Crate if you have the app, go to your device, and basically just make sure here under home that you have the NVIDIA GeForce connected, basically. Okay, you can close this. You can also go to your settings, okay, and just come here, go to System, go to Recovery, Reset PC, click here on Reset PC, and you choose the option with, keeping your files, and you do the reset. That should reinstall all the drivers and fix the graphics card issue. Otherwise, really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.